Hello smart people, welcome back to this comments class. So during my research today, I found this website which gives the 15 best data science program which you can take it online, and I thought I should share it to my lovely audience saying some deadlines is very close. Okay, so I'll share this website link in the description section. Okay, so 15 best data science program online, and it includes the free programs too. Okay, so when we go down to the table of content, we have the become a data scientist, which you can learn from Audacity. Let's go down. Okay, we have the data science specialization, which you can take from Coursera. The providers are the Johns Hopkins University. Okay, we have the data scientist with Python, which you take from Bootcamp. Sorry, DataCamp. Okay. We have programming for data science with Python. Okay, so we have 15 programs which you can take under the data science. Okay, so like this, statistics with R specialization, which you can take from Coursera, introduction to data science. We have a lot. Okay, so 15. Okay, so some deadlines are very close this month, so you can enroll for free. Okay, so let's try the first one. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, so data science, enroll. So 2 days more. This course is also free. Okay, so estimated time 4 months. Okay, you can download the syllabus. Okay, so what the program will be offering, we have the class content, we have the student service and the career services. Okay. Okay, so let's check another one, the Coursera. Okay, let's check the Coursera. Okay, so the Coursera 2, the start date is today. You can also try that. So here the trial is for 7 days, but we have the financial aid available, so you can take the course for free without paying. Okay, so you can watch my video on how to take Coursera paid courses for free. Okay, so you can visit this website and go through the various courses and see the one you prefer when you want to apply to. So we have the IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Let's check that one too out. Okay, so that one too, you enroll for free. We have the financial aid. Okay, so hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. See you on the next video. Peace.